Welcome to the Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. As immigrants ourselves, we have experienced firsthand the excitement of starting anew while navigating the complexities of life in America. Our podcast was born out of a deep desire to offer support and guidance to others like us, those who are already living here or dreaming of making the leap. Each week, we share 3 thoughtfully crafted episodes that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving professional success and mastering financial literacy. Our mission is simple: to empower you with valuable insights and practical advice as you chart your own path in this diverse land. Whether you're seeking tips on improving your English skills or looking for inspiration on how to thrive in your new environment, we're here for you every step of the way. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA. Welcome to the Immigrants in the United States of America podcast. For the next few months, our podcast episodes published on Fridays will include excerpts from Maestro Sersea's eBook, Amazing Road Trips in the United States of America, to help you discover interesting destinations throughout the United States of America. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Thank you for joining today's podcast episode of Immigrants in the United States of America. Today, we will focus on Maestro Sersea's ebook, Amazing Road Trips in the United States of America. Today, we focus on Chapter 1, The Great American Road Trip, with subchapter, Planning Your Epic Adventure. Are you ready? Let's begin. Chapter 1, The Great American Road Trip, Planning Your Epic Adventure. Part 1, Choosing the Perfect Route. The open road. There's nothing quite like the feeling of freedom that comes from embarking on an epic road trip across the United States. As a seasoned American teacher and passionate driver, I have had the pleasure of exploring numerous routes throughout this vast and diverse country. So, let me share with you my secrets on how to plan your own unforgettable adventure. The first and perhaps most crucial step in planning your road trip is choosing the perfect route. This decision will determine the course of your entire journey and the experiences you'll encounter along the way. To make this decision, you should take into account your personal interests, available time, and the regions you wish to explore. Start by brainstorming the destinations you have always dreamed of visiting. Are you drawn to the majestic mountains of the West or the vibrant cities of the East? Do you long to wander through the deserts of the Southwest or immerse yourself in the rich history of the South? Take some time to research these regions, their attractions, and the scenic driving routes that connect them. To help you in your research, there are a plethora of resources available. Guidebooks, websites, and even travel blogs can provide valuable insight into the attractions and road networks that characterize different regions. You can also utilize online map services and trip planning apps to chart potential routes, including distance estimations and driving times. But remember, the perfect route is not just about ticking off famous landmarks. It's about immersing yourself in the unique character of each destination. Consider including lesser-known spots that align with your personal interests or reflect the cultural heritage of the area. By taking the road less traveled, you may stumble upon hidden gems that will forever remain etched in your memory. Part 2, Finding the Best Attractions. Now that you have chosen your route, it's time to pinpoint the best attractions to visit along the way. This is where the real fun begins. Dive deep into the rich tapestry of the United States and explore the myriad of possibilities that lie before you. To begin, compile a list of key attractions you don't want to miss. These could be iconic landmarks like the Grand Canyon, Yellowstone National Park, or the Statue of Liberty. However, don't limit yourself to just the well-known attractions. America is full of hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. To unearth these hidden gems, tap into the wealth of knowledge shared by fellow travelers. Join online forums or social media groups related to road trips, where you can connect with like-minded individuals who have already explored your chosen route. Seek their advice and recommendations based on their first-hand experiences. Trust me, some of the best recommendations come from fellow adventurers who have taken the road before you. Additionally, leverage the power of technology to discover attractions off the beaten path. There are countless travel apps and websites that curate unique local experiences, from quirky roadside oddities to secret hiking trails. These resources can provide you with a range of options to suit your interests, whether you're a nature lover, history enthusiast, or a foodie seeking culinary delights. Remember that attractions also widely differ in terms of accessibility and timing. Some may require advanced booking or have limited operating hours, so be sure to factor this into your planning process. By staying organized and creating a detailed itinerary, you can maximize your time and ensure you won't miss out on any must-see attractions. Part 3. Scouting the best accommodations. No road trip is complete without cozy and comfortable accommodations to rest your weary head after a day on the road. As you plan your epic adventure, take the time to research and secure the best accommodations along your chosen route. The type of accommodations you choose will largely depend on your personal preferences and budget. Are you someone who craves the comfort and convenience of a hotel, or do you prefer the rustic charm of a bed and breakfast? Perhaps you're an adventurous soul who fancies camping beneath the stars or staying in unique accommodations like yurts or tree houses. There is no shortage of options in the United States, no matter your preference. To find the best accommodations, turn again to the vast array of resources at your disposal. Online booking platforms such as Airbnb, Hotels.com, or TripAdvisor allow you to search for accommodations by location, price range, and amenities. Read reviews from fellow travelers to gain insights into the quality and service of potential places to stay. If you prefer a more personal touch, consider reaching out to local tourism boards or visitor centers along your route. They can provide valuable advice and recommendations tailored to your specific needs. Local residents who know the area intimately can often suggest hidden gems off the typical tourist route, making your experience even more memorable. When planning your accommodations, it's important to consider the distance between attractions and the time you intend to spend at each location. Aim to strike a balance between drive time and exploration time, ensuring you don't miss out on the magic that lies beyond your car window. By taking the time to plan your road trip, from choosing the perfect route to finding the best attractions and accommodations along the way, you can set the stage for an unforgettable adventure. So, put on your explorer's hat and let the open road guide you as you discover the wonders that await in the United States of America.
Thank you for listening to today's episode of our Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. Join us again as we share 3 distinct episodes each week that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving personal and professional success and mastering financial literacy. You are invited to also visit our official website for Immigrants in the USA at www.immigrantsinthe.us. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA.